Problem 18. The graph shows the number of people in millions who had health insurance in the years 89 to 94. If the rate at which the number of people increased changed to 1 million people a year, how many fewer people would have had insurance in 94? From 89 to 90, 1 year, 2 million people. Okay, the rate of change initially is 2 million people. What if it had only been 1 million people? Well then, instead of here to here, it would have been here to here for 1 year, 214 after 2 years, then after 3 years, then after 4 years, then after 5 years. We did not have to plot all those points. We could simply have used 2 points and drawn a line. How many fewer people would have had insurance? Well, how many fewer? So we start the starting conditions. Well, 212 million people in the first year, 1989. Oh, and look, there's my little zigzag. Okay, in 1994, 222 million people had insurance. If the change is to 1 million people, then in 1994, how many people had insurance? $217 million. Okay, we know how many people had insurance in 1994 if we change the slope, but the question is how many fewer people would have had insurance, and the answer to that is 222 million minus 217 million, 5 million fewer. Why? Because this is showing 2 million a year, and we drop it in half. We drop it to 1 million per year. We lose 1 million per year. Over 5 years, obviously, that will be 5 million people. A trap answer is going to ask 217 million. Be careful to read the problem and answer the question they're asking you. Oh goody, last page. Alan bought a ticket book for Carnival rides. Each ride requires 3 tickets. Which linear function represents the relationship between his number of rides and the number of tickets left? Okay, he starts with 30 tickets. He gives away 3 tickets per ride times n, the number of rides, and that's going to be the output, the number of tickets remaining. F of x equals 3 times x minus 30. That would be the same as 3x minus 90. Can't be that. 3x minus 30, 3 times the number of tickets minus 30? No, because we want the number of tickets remaining. There is our equation. Problem 20. Which of the following describes the graph of this function? We could certainly graph it. Let's do that. We know the x-intercept is -2. So if the x-intercept is -2, and the slope is 1/4, up 1 over 4, up 1 over 4. Let's draw that and see whether this can help us eliminate some answer choices. -8, 0, -8, 0, nope, can't be answer choice A. Because this is the same y for two different x's. 8, 0 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 0 is there. 0, -2 is there. But this point is not. It contains the point 4, -1. Yes. And has a slope of -2? No, because the slope of this function is 1/4. Has a slope of 1/4 and contains the point -8, -4. Looks like that could be. Has a slope of 1/4 and contains the point -8, 0. Nope, I suspect it is this one. But let's just check using some algebra. If it contains the point -8, -4, then what's going to happen? -4, my y value, equals 1/4 times -8 minus 2. Is that a true fact? -8 times 1 is -8, divided by 4 is -2 minus 2. -4 equals -4. That is true. So this is correct. We verified it using graphing. We could have done the math, done the arithmetic, and plugged all of these points into this, remembering this is y and this is x. But we just used graphing. It was quicker. Finally, which graph uses the fuel usage of a truck that gets 5 miles a gallon? 1 gallon, 15, 16 miles, not that one. 1 gallon, less than 5 miles, not that one. Starts at 17, and that looks like about 5 gallons a mile. Let's check this one. And here we have 10 miles and 1 gallon. Has to be this guy. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done with the review. Congratulations. Good luck on your test.